How to correct pronunciation in Murf AI. So let's open the studio and make a project real quick. So to change pronunciation, you can try purposely misspelling some words. So for example, if I want this voice to say Carium,
Carry M.
he's not gonna say Carium, he's gonna say Cariam. So I'm gonna purposely misspell this like this, and he's gonna say Carium.
Carry M.
And there you go. So let's delete this. So let's say I want to change the pronunciation of a word. I'm just gonna double click on a word, click pronunciation, and here there are all these pronunciations available. So let's preview all of these.
Stands. Stod. Stands.
So here, as you can see, if you double click on it, it's gonna apply it. I like the default one, so I'm just gonna keep it. So let's say we also want to add a pause here. I'm just gonna do this.
SSD stands for solid state drive, a type of storage device that uses flash memory to store data.
And there you go. That's how to change the pronunciation in Murf AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.